Hey guys, welcome back. You asked for it and it's here, my closet tour. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I'm so happy today I get to do this for you guys. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I do a lot of fashion content like this. And if you love fashion and daily style, make sure to check me out on Instagram where I post my fashion daily at StyleHard. So I'm gonna start from the top and work my way down to the bottom. So first of all, up here, I got some of my boxes, some of my accessories. I have a lot of sunglasses. Some are luxury. A lot of them are really cheap and cheerful, like these. Damn it. These are really trendy right now, and I just refuse to spend top dollar on a super trendy item. These were 2 for $20 from Aldo Accessories, 10 bucks each, and they are so on trend, and I didn't have to spend that much money on them. I get the look and got them in a couple different colors. I wanna show you guys this special pair. These are Tom Ford, and these are so cool. These have never stopped being in style since 2007. I wear them all the time. They're still very relevant in fashion today. Super on trend, but not overly trendy. So these were an amazing score. And I have so many more, but not enough time in this video to show you. So let me know in the comments below if you'd love to see a sunglasses collection. All right, on my top shelves here, I have all my handbags. I'm sorry, they're covered up in their dust bags. Now, I did do a handbag collection, and a lot of you guys said that you really wanted me to talk about the bags more and describe them and talk about the pros and cons of each bag. So if you want me to do an updated handbag collection, I'm happy to do that for you. Just let me know because it's something I've been thinking about. So in my closet, I have to admit, I'm not terribly organized. This is the most organized you're gonna get, and I'm not really a color coordinated kind of person. I'm more like by season and by things I wear frequently. I like my organized chaos. I kind of know where everything is, even if it's, jumbled around. Here I have my jackets. These are kind of the jackets I don't wear on a daily basis, but they are, key pieces that I like to incorporate into my wardrobe now and again. I'll show you a couple of my favorites from here. The first is this absolutely amazing Stella McCartney from several seasons ago, and this will be in my closet forever. I absolutely love this. It is so gorgeous. Actually, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. This outfit is kind of me in a nutshell. I am super eclectic with my style. Some days I'm super classic. Some days I'm more funky. It just depends on the mood I'm in when I wake up. That dictates what I'm gonna wear that day. All right, another one of my favorite jackets from here is this unbelievable Alexander McQueen opera coat. This is just beyond a statement jacket. In fact, I have a photo shoot coming up and I'm definitely gonna incorporate this. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will probably catch a glimpse of this. Super styled. Over here are some of my casual blouses, but super stylish. I love them, especially the front two here, which both happen to be Canadian designer Carolyn Consta's. I absolutely love her designs. I want to give an honorable mention to this really cute blouse that really needs a steam. This is from Zara. To me, I just find this looks really expensive, looks really high end, and it was really affordable. This is an amazing, amazing look. This will jazz up any outfit. Just throw on a pair of jeans and you look like $1,000,000 in this. This is super cash, just turtlenecks, tank tops, and random miscellaneous tops that I don't know what to do with. Some summer stuff. I do want to show you these Missoni pieces. This is a belt and a dress, but because I'm always switching up my style, sometimes I'll throw this on as a headband. Down here are some of my absolute favorite sweaters. Every single one of them is from Aritzia, except for this one, which I wore in my home tour, and a lot of you guys asked about it. It's from Intermix Online. Over here, I have a lot of my beautiful summer pieces and travel pieces. Some of my favorite designers, again, we have Carolyn Consta's. Love this piece. These two are by one of my absolute favorite designers, Zimmerman. I absolutely love these pieces.
You look so angry. I was like,
Comment down below if I need to smile more. I'm trying. I'm so serious. Now this dress is a Zimmermann dupe, and I talked about this dress in a designer dupes video, which I will also link below. It's from a website called thelookbox.co, and I found this dress and I just thought it was such a good designer dupe, and I didn't have to break the bank on this. And this beautiful linen piece is just from my travels in Italy. I found it at a local shop, and I just love shopping locally and checking out, you know, the local designers there. It's 100% linen. I just love it. And this was like 25 euros, so pretty good score. Over here is, you know, once again, kind of random, a little hodgepodge, just a random grouping of clothes I don't know what to do with. Some skirts, some sweaters, some, I don't know what this is, a long vest. I absolutely love this skirt. This is from Intermix Online, and it is by Amor. I want to show you guys how I styled this, so I'm going to add a photo from my Instagram where I last wore this. I just loved this outfit. This skirt really made the look, and I'm so happy with this purchase. A couple other cool skirts, both are from H&M. This looks super chic, super high end. This one as well, I wore this to an event and 2 people, not one, asked me if it was Chloe. Nope, I'm pretty sure it was 30, 40 bucks, so. Okay, so down here we have all my sweats. I know this is a lot, but I really like to be comfortable. As soon as I'm home from work or an event or anything, I take off my clothes and I put on my sweats. These are my workout leggings. These are my, like, when I want to be in sweats, but it's not socially acceptable to be in sweats, so I got a dupe for that. The sweatpant jean. Yes, that's right, the sweatpant jean. These are rag & bone, and these are fabulous. You really cannot tell that these are sweatpants. They just look like baggy boyfriend jeans, and they are sweatpants. They're everything.
I thought they were jeans.
I know.
I thought they were jeans.
Stop. Next are my jeans, and I know what you're thinking. I don't have enough.
I thought they were jeans.
Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I host a lot of sample sales with companies that I collaborate with. I always get jeans from these sales because they're fabulous jeans. I love girlfriend jeans. I love rag & bone. I love Joe's jeans. I love jeans. I thought they were jeans. Again, super casual. A lot of my fun day-to-day H&M, Zara sweaters. I mean, you guys know by now, I frequent H&M and Zara a lot. I talk about them in almost every single video. I do shopping vlogs there, and I just think they are the best bang for your buck to stay in fashion and on trend. So these are like my good, comfortable, day-to-day looks. So again, here's another rack of kind of random things that I don't know what to do with, so I just put them in here. Sweaters, jackets, just like cool little pieces for every day, some funky, just a couple things that I love and I want to show you. This is a beautiful Lanvin top that I have had for so long. I'm telling you, I've had this for years. I still absolutely love it. This looks really good under a blazer. It's just so cute and simple. Down here are some of my blazers. Let me just pull this one out because it's one of my favorites. And this is one of my favorite summer outfits. This is, in fact, Zimmermann. Again, one of my favorite summer outfits. I just love it. These are some of my perfumes. Actually, these are all of my perfumes. And actually, I'm gonna spray some on because I don't have any, so I will choose one of my faves, which is Laura Mercier Vanille. And it actually doesn't smell like vanilla. It just has like a very undertony vanilla scent, and that's what I love about it. All right, last but not least for this portion of my closet are some of my shoes. These are the ones that fit here. And yeah, it's just a cute little wall of some of the shoes that I wear when I go out, when I have events, and when I need to jazz up my look. So if you watch my house tour, guys, I did not show you this room because it's kind of like my storage room of, you know, I have an extra rolling rack in here of clothes, and I keep all my boxes in here. There's really nothing interesting, but I will take you through some of my favorite pieces.
Where are you?
So I'm sorry about the mess. Okay, this is not even mine. Okay, my husband picked up the dry cleaning and this is not mine. That's actually crazy. They gave us dry cleaning that's not even ours. That's actually horrible, but okay. So I tend to put a lot of my stuff in random places in the house, the downstairs closet, the basement closet, and I pulled some of my stuff out. I just took all of my hats out so I could show you here. I'm a huge hat person. I love hats. I wear them winter, spring, summer, fall. Here are some of them. All right, guys, I'm gonna conclude this closet tour with my jackets. I have a lot of leather jackets. I have a thing for leather jackets. Some of these were gifts from the designers, and some of these I just bought. This is one of my favorites, and it happens to be from, you guessed it, Zara. And this was just like such a great price, and this looks really expensive. It looks like a high-end biker jacket. These are winter coats and I absolutely love them. I've had this for so many years. This is Pucci for Rossignol, I can never pronounce it. It's a ski brand and it's a ski coat, but I don't think I've ever worn it skiing, and I just think it's really cool and chic. I would say this is my all-time favorite coat ever. I also got this many years ago. I just absolutely love it. I love the style. I love the color. I think it's really unique, and I haven't seen a coat like this since I got it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this closet tour. This has been a long time coming. If you liked it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, guys, I'll be back in a couple days with another fabulous video. I can't wait to see you. Until next time, bye.